Alright, so this very annoying click noise that happens when you're using earphones, headphones on your laptop using Linux, it's caused by a power saving audio option that we gotta turn off, but it doesn't show anywhere that you can click like a button on and off. So we gotta add this option to the awesome mixture. So I'm using Ubuntu Pudgy. By the way, ignore my crappy macOS theme. I was just trying some themes before. Anyways, I'm using Ubuntu, so Ubuntu uses Awesome Mixture as audio driver. So that's what's running right now. Just to make sure, like type Awesome Mixture in terminal. So if you have it, it's gonna show up like this. And just in case, go to the last option and turn this loop back off. So disable it. Okay, now we gotta add the option to turn off the power saving in Awesome Mixture. So just go to File System, the folder etc, and then to modeprobe.d, but here you gotta open as root so we can edit the file. This file here, alsa-base.conf. Open this up, go to the last line. Your last line is gonna be this one, and then type enter and add this one. That's what you gotta add. So type options space snd-hda-intel space power underscore save equal 0. So save, close it, and reboot the system. So that's it. Hope I have helped you guys.